Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make white sauce. First, you'll need to gather your simple ingredients: 2 tablespoons of butter, 2 tablespoons of all-purpose flour, 1 cup of milk, and a pinch of salt and pepper. Begin by melting the butter in a saucepan over medium heat. Once melted, whisk in the flour to form a smooth paste, known as a roux. Cook this roux for about 1 minute, stirring continuously until it achieves a light golden color. Now for the magic. Slowly pour in 1 cup of cold milk, whisking vigorously the entire time. This gradual addition and constant whisking are key to preventing lumps and achieving a perfectly smooth sauce. Bring the mixture to a gentle simmer, continuing to stir frequently. Let it cook for about 2 to 3 minutes, or until it thickens to your preferred consistency, coating the back of a spoon beautifully. Once your sauce has reached the desired thickness, it's time to season it. Add a pinch of salt and a dash of freshly ground black pepper. Taste and adjust the seasonings to your liking. For a delicious cheese sauce, simply stir in about 1 cup of shredded cheddar cheese until it melts smoothly. A tiny pinch of nutmeg can also elevate the flavor, giving it that classic bechamel touch. To store your homemade white sauce, first let it cool down completely to room temperature. Then, transfer it into an airtight container. You can safely store this sauce in your refrigerator for up to 3 to 4 days. When you're ready to use it again, reheat it gently over low heat, whisking occasionally. If it seems too thick, simply add a splash of milk to achieve your desired consistency.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.